Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Now we're diving into an intriguing and interesting topic. How to woo and win the heart of any woman of your dreams. Whether you're looking for tips on how to approach someone new or how to deepen a connection with someone you already know, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. Introduction. Purpose of the guide. Understanding attraction and relationships. Overview of key concepts. Understanding women. Psychological and emotional complexity. Emotional intelligence. Common misconceptions about women. Understanding female communication styles. Understanding the psychological and emotional complexity of women is crucial for building a meaningful connection. Emotional intelligence plays a significant role here. It involves recognizing and understanding your own emotions as well as those of others. This ability to empathize and respond to emotions effectively can make a profound difference in how you interact with women. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Individuality and unique preferences. Recognizing individual differences. Personal values and beliefs. Cultural and social influences. Every woman is unique, shaped by her personal values, beliefs, and cultural background. Recognizing and appreciating these individual differences can help you connect on a deeper level. Take the time to understand her unique perspective and what matters most to her. What women look for in a partner. Traits and qualities women appreciate. The role of confidence and humor. Common interests and shared values. Traits like kindness, empathy, confidence, and a good sense of humor are often highly valued by women. These qualities not only make you more attractive but also help in building a strong, lasting connection. Finding common interests and shared values can further strengthen your bond. Self-improvement and confidence building. Developing self-esteem. Understanding self-esteem. Positive self-talk and affirmations. Overcoming insecurities. Developing self-esteem is a foundational step in becoming more attractive. Positive self-talk and affirmations can help reframe your mindset, allowing you to focus on your strengths and capabilities. Overcoming insecurities involves acknowledging them and taking proactive steps to address and manage them. Enhancing physical appearance. Personal grooming and hygiene. Fashion and style tips. Body language and non-verbal cues. Your physical appearance plays a significant role in making a good first impression. Personal grooming and hygiene are essential, as is developing a sense of style that makes you feel confident. Additionally, your body language and non-verbal cues can communicate a lot about your confidence and approachability. Building confidence. Confidence versus arrogance. Techniques for boosting confidence. Real-life examples and exercises. Confidence is attractive, but it must be genuine and not cross into arrogance. Techniques such as setting and achieving small goals, visualizing success, and practicing confident body language can significantly boost your confidence. Engaging in activities that challenge you and stepping out of your comfort zone are practical ways to build this trait. Effective communication. Starting conversations. Approaching women with confidence. Icebreakers and conversation starters. Overcoming fear of rejection. Starting a conversation can be daunting, but approaching women with confidence and a genuine smile can set a positive tone. Icebreakers that are relevant and interesting can help initiate dialogue. Overcoming the fear of rejection involves understanding that not every interaction will lead to a connection, and that's okay. Keeping the conversation flowing. Asking open-ended questions, encouraging a deeper conversation. Finding common ground. Identifying shared interests and experiences. Reading social cues. Understanding and responding to body language and social cues. Example. Mark keeps the conversation flowing with Lisa by asking about her favorite travel experiences. Active listening. The importance of listening. Techniques for active listening. Showing genuine interest. Active listening is a critical skill in building rapport and trust. It involves not just hearing but truly understanding what the other person is saying. Techniques such as nodding, maintaining eye contact, and asking follow-up questions show that you are genuinely interested in her thoughts and feelings. Deepening conversations. Moving beyond small talk. Discussing meaningful topics. Building emotional intimacy. To deepen conversations, it's important to move beyond small talk and discuss meaningful topics that reveal more about each other. Building emotional intimacy involves sharing personal experiences, thoughts, and feelings, creating a stronger connection and understanding. Demonstrating respect and appreciation. Respecting boundaries. Understanding and respecting personal space. The importance of consent. How to handle rejection gracefully. Respecting boundaries is fundamental in any interaction. Understanding personal space and the importance of consent shows that you respect her autonomy and comfort. Handling rejection gracefully demonstrates maturity and respect, which can leave a positive impression. Acts of kindness and appreciation. Small gestures that make a difference. Compliments. When and how to give them. Supporting her goals and ambitions. Small acts of kindness and appreciation can go a long way in building a positive connection. Genuine compliments and supportive gestures show that you value and respect her. Encouraging her goals and ambitions demonstrates that you are interested in her overall well-being and success. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Building a strong connection. Finding common interests. Identifying shared hobbies and activities. Trying new things together. Creating shared memories. Finding common interests is a great way to build a connection. Engaging in shared hobbies and activities allows you to spend quality time together and create lasting memories. Trying new things together can also add excitement and deepen your bond. Example: Jake and Anna bond over their shared love for hiking and trying new restaurants. Quality time and emotional intimacy. Prioritizing time together. Balancing independence and togetherness. Building emotional intimacy through communication. Prioritizing quality time together is essential in any relationship. Balancing independence and togetherness ensures that both partners feel valued and respected. Building emotional intimacy through open and honest communication strengthens your connection. Physical intimacy. Understanding physical intimacy. Respecting her comfort level. Building a healthy physical relationship. Physical intimacy is an important aspect of many relationships, but it's crucial to understand and respect her comfort level. Building a healthy physical relationship involves communication, consent, and mutual respect. Maintaining attraction and interest. Keeping the romance alive. Regular date nights. Surprise gestures and gifts. Continual effort in the relationship. Keeping the romance alive requires continual effort. Regular date nights, surprise gestures, and thoughtful gifts can keep the spark alive. It's important to show that you are still invested in the relationship and value your time together. Handling relationship challenges. Conflict resolution skills. Maintaining open communication. Rekindling passion when it fades. Every relationship faces challenges, but effective conflict resolution skills and maintaining open communication can help navigate them. When passion fades, finding ways to rekindle it can renew your connection and strengthen your bond. Long-term relationship success. Growing together. Supporting each other's growth. Setting and achieving relationship goals. Growing together involves supporting each other's personal and professional growth. Setting and achieving relationship goals creates a sense of partnership and shared purpose. Adapting to life's changes together strengthens your bond and ensures long-term success. Commitment and trust. Building and maintaining trust. Demonstrating commitment. Navigating long-term challenges. Trust and commitment are the cornerstones of a successful long-term relationship. Building and maintaining trust through honesty and reliability is crucial. Demonstrating commitment and navigating challenges together ensures a strong and enduring relationship. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Understanding women. First things first, understanding women is key. It's important to remember that every woman is unique. but there are some general things many women appreciate. Let's break them down. 1. Emotional intelligence. Women often appreciate a man who can understand and respond to their emotions. 1. Be empathetic and genuinely interested in how she feels. 2. Confidence versus arrogance. Confidence is attractive, but there's a fine line between confidence and arrogance. 2. Be sure of yourself without putting others down. 3. Sense of humor. A good sense of humor can break the ice and create a bond. 3. But remember, it's not about being a stand-up comedian. It's about sharing moments of joy and laughter. 3. Building confidence. Next up, let's talk about building confidence. Confidence isn't just about how you look. It's about how you feel about yourself. Here are some tips. 1. Self-improvement. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself. 1. This could be through fitness, pursuing your hobbies, or learning new skills. 2. Positive self-talk. Challenge negative thoughts and replace them with positive affirmations. 2. This can drastically change your mindset. 3. Body language. Your body language says a lot about you. 3. Stand tall, make eye contact, and don't be afraid to smile. 3. Effective communication. Two people having an engaging conversation in a coffee shop. Communication is the cornerstone of any relationship. Here's how to effectively communicate. 1. Active listening. Show that you're genuinely interested in what she has to say. 1. Nod, ask follow-up questions, and really listen. 2. Starting conversations. Approach her with confidence. 2. Start with something simple like a compliment or a comment about your surroundings. 3. Meaningful conversations. Move beyond small talk. 3. Discuss topics that are important to both of you and show genuine interest in her opinions. 3. Demonstrating respect and appreciation. Man holding the door open for a woman, both smiling. Respect and appreciation go a long way in building a strong connection. Here's how to demonstrate them. 1. Respecting boundaries. Understand and respect her personal space and boundaries. 1. Consent is crucial in all interactions. 2. Appreciation. Show appreciation through small gestures like compliments, helping out, or surprising her with her favorite treat. 3. Supporting her goals. Be supportive of her ambitions and dreams. 3. Encouragement can strengthen your bond. 3. Building a connection. A couple doing an activity they both enjoy, like hiking. Building a genuine connection involves shared experiences and emotional intimacy. Here's how to do it. 1. Shared activities. Find common interests and activities you both enjoy. 1. This creates shared memories and strengthens your bond. 2. Quality time. Make time for her, even when life gets busy. 2. Consistency in showing up is key. 3. Emotional intimacy. Open up about your thoughts and feelings and encourage her to do the same. 3. This creates a deeper emotional connection. 3. Conclusion. So, there you have it. A comprehensive guide to wooing and winning the heart of any woman. Remember, the key is to be genuine, respectful, and to always put in the effort to understand and appreciate her. Building a strong connection takes time and patience, but with these tips, you're well on your way. In conclusion, wooing and getting the attention of a woman involves understanding, respect, and genuine effort. By applying the strategies outlined in this guide, you can build meaningful connections and enjoy fulfilling relationships. Remember, every relationship is unique, so find what works best for you and your partner. Best of luck on your journey to finding and maintaining love. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to always stay tuned for more tips and advice on building meaningful relationships. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe to our channel. Subscription is free and does not cost money. Have you subscribed now? Okay, I will wait for you to subscribe now. Thank you. Do not forget to like the video, share the video, comment down below, Watch recommended or suggested videos on your screen, tap or click notification bell, so that you would be notified each time we upload new videos. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. We say a big thank you for watching and see you in our next video.